In this video, I'm going to show you how to add money to Oanda. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to oanda.com, and you of course have to create a real account by clicking Open Account up here. And then you're going to have to put in all your info. It's going to take a few minutes. You're going to have to get verified. And after you have your account, you will receive an email with all the information you need to actually sign in, as well as the button to actually come to this website, which is platform.tmsbrokers.com. And it's going to say TMS Oanda, Smarter Trading. And the first thing you'll be able to see is going to be disconnect to account, okay? So here you're going to have to put in your login and password, which are going to be provided inside your email. So the login is going to be a long number, and then the password is usually going to be the one you actually created once you created your account. Here, you want to then click connect, and you'll be able to see the exact same thing I'm seeing right now. After this, to actually add money to Oanda, click on deposit funds on the top right. And then here in the next step, you'll be able to select if you want a card deposit or a bank transfer. So I'm going to do card, but it's of course up to you. Click on next. And then on the next page, you're going to have to put in your email address and your password, so your credentials associated with your Oanda TMS account. And then here, the deposit amount as well. So just type whatever you want to deposit, click on next. Then you're going to have to confirm a few things, put in your card details in case you selected card, or you'll be able to see where to deposit money to if you selected bank transfer. And then after you do that, of course, you'll be able to send over the funds, and then they will appear inside your account in a short period of time. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.